What's up, little people?
Hello, little man.
It's a little chilly, isn't it? Hello, guys.
Look at that one. Look at that one. He's just a little round cylinder.
Little cylinder. That's pretty funny.
He's so cute.
Like, that's rude. You call me a cylinder. I'm leaving.
You
You want to show the little baby pigs? Come here. Come here. Show the baby pigs. I know, it's rough ground. I mean, that thing. She's like, oh, shit. Hey, good morning. Look at little babies over there. Here they come. Look at little baby pigs. Isn't they cute? I have no food. I'm sorry. Little babies. There's a carrot right next to you. Should we go see the horses? Yeah. Alright. It's pretty uneven. Oh, you want to see chickens? Let's go see the chickens. I'll tell you what, let me pick you up. Oh! Look at Tom. What in God's name is going on over here? You got lucky, dude. Hey, what are you doing? Kaya, come get this chicken. Put him back in the pen. That one's got no neck. Here, come take the... Oh, jeez. So mucky. Here, hold her. Yeah, I can put him back in.
Okay,
oh, God.
There's hot warmers in my pockets, and I don't want those to fall out.
All right, we'll just hold it there. Come here, chicken. Are you going to make this easy or difficult? All right, never mind. I'm not messing around if the chicken doesn't want to go back in. Let's go check out the horses. You want to see the horses?
Can you hold her?
Lord.
My hands are so cold. You got it?
Yeah.
My hands.
Yeah, your hands. Your hands, your hands.
I got my shirt dirty.
No, I didn't.
With her feet.
Where?
Right there. I'm wearing Mom's belt.
Oh, it was a cool looking belt. I saw it when you were coming out of the ring. Alright. You want to see the horses? Right in here? Want to show her something, Kaya?
We're coming back at 2.
Oh, yeah? For what?
To watch the crossrail jump course. Look at all the bridles, Daddy.
I know, right? It's all new for today.
Oh, what are these?
What's in here? Is this the bunnies?
Yep, Daddy,
She's in the box. That one's a cute little one. Here's the licking horse. I love Mr. Licker.
The babies, Daddy.
You're a licker, I know.
What's in there are the babies.
Look at that.
Daddy.
She's like, what? Mwah. I'll give him a kiss. Mwah. Good Lord, what?
They have their own stocking. And also...
Oh, really?
In some weird box. That's all the baby bunnies.
So you're in the little box?
Yeah. See, look at the baby. Not the black and white one, but the other one. The baby.
Oh, there it is. Alright, should we get some food? Alright. I don't know how to end this video.